हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पीआर नॉलेज सेंटर। तो है टेस्ट नंबर 8 फॉर एमआईएस का। ये भी इंग्लिश में है। तो देखिए सभी हिंदी में अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो जो भी इंग्लिश में है उसको मैं इंग्लिश में ही करा दे रही हूँ। बाकी ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्योंकि टाइम ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं करूँगी, मैं क्वेश्चन की तरफ आगे बढ़ूँगी। और हाँ, आपको बता दूँ मेरे चैनल बहुत सारे विजन आईएएस के और बहुत सारे ओनली आईएएस के भी टेस्ट करवाए गए हैं, और ये है फॉर एमआईएस का। तो चलिए टेस्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। ठीक से पढ़िएगा। पहला है, आधार जो है आधार कार्ड का है, मेटा डेटा कैन नॉट बी स्टोर्ड फॉर मोर देन 3 मंथ। या इसके डाटा को 3 मंथ से ज़्यादा स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं। इट कैन नॉट इंटर इनटू एनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विद प्राइवेट कॉर्पोरेशन फॉर शेयरिंग आधार डाटा। आधार इज मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट्स। आधार इज मैंडेटरी फॉर गेटिंग बेनिफिट्स फंड आउट ऑफ द कंसोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ इंडिया। कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? 1 4 2 4 3 या 1 2 3? पहला देखिए, आधार मेटा डेटा कैन नॉट बी स्टोर्ड फॉर मोर देन 3 मंथ। ऑफ कोर्स ये किया जा सकता है। 6 मंथ बढ़ाया गया तो अभी क्या है, 5 ईयर तक इसको रख सकते हैं। तो ये है गलत, और ये दूसरा है सही। और तीसरा है, आधार इज मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट। तो मैंडेटरी जो है नहीं है। आधार इज नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट। ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट है, आधार इज मैंडेटरी फॉर गेटिंग बेनिफिट्स फंड आउट ऑफ द कंसोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ इंडिया। ऑफ कोर्स यस। तो 2 और 4 सही है, ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी। दूसरा है, विद रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया कंसीडर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। 73rd अमेंडमेंट के बारे में ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंडिया वाज इनेक्टेड ड्यूरिंग द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पीवी नरसिम्हा राव। क्या पीवी नरसिम्हा राव थे उस टाइम? तो यस। ट्रांसफर्ड द सब्जेक्ट ट्रांसफर द सब्जेक्ट of local government from state list to concurrent list of 7 schedule of the constitution। स्टेट लिस्ट से concurrent लिस्ट नहीं डाला गया था, ये तो गलत है। ये जो है उल्टा दे दिया है, concurrent लिस्ट से इसको डाला गया था स्टेट लिस्ट में। ठीक है। तो इसमें जो था अमेंडमेंट हुआ था कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, इसमें जो है क्या हुआ था, सब्जेक्ट लोकल गवर्नमेंट इज प्रेजेंटली लिस्टेड ऑन द सेंट्रल लिस्ट, स्टेट लिस्ट ना। 7th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया तो स्टेट लिस्ट में ही है, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा। इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ए न्यू डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अंडर 40 अंडर आर्टिकल 40 जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट रिक्वायर द स्टेट ऑर्गेनाइज विलेज पंचायत। तो गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल के अंतर्गत आता है ये जो फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट है। तो क्या ये डीपीएसपी में ऐड किया गया था? क्या सही है? तो ये तो ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में था ना, बाद में थोड़ी ना ऐसा कुछ ऐड किया गया था, तो ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ही था। इट वाज नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द 73rd अमेंडमेंट। इसमें नहीं ऐड हुआ था, ये ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ही था। तो ये पहला ही सही है, ओनली बी ऑप्शन। ठीक है। द केपी थुंगन कमिटी 1988 which was set up to examine the political and administrative structure in the district for the purpose planning recommended which of the following: granting constitutional status to the local government bodies, is right। तो ये तो सही है। सेटिंग अप ए 2 टायर सिस्टम अप फॉर लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज हैविंग जिला परिषद एंड मंडल पंचायत एज यूनिट। तो क्या जो 2 टायर सिस्टम में क्या क्या है? देखिए 2 टायर सिस्टम में थुंगन कमेटी के अनुसार जो था, थुंगन कमेटी ने रिकमेंड किया था 3 टायर ना कि 2 टायर, जिसमें लोकल बॉडी थी पंचायत, विलेज, ब्लॉक और डिस्ट्रिक्ट का था, तो ये गलत है। स्टेबलाइज ऑफ द स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन फॉर द कंडक्ट लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडी इलेक्शन। तो ये भी गलत है, क्योंकि गॉडगिल कमेटी ने रिकमेंड किया था ये, जिसमें स्टेबलाइजमेंट ऑफ स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन फॉर द कंडक्ट ऑफ इलेक्शन टू द पंचायत। पंचायत के लिए स्टेट कमीशन इलेक्शन के लिए बात की गई, तो केवल ओनली 1 सही है, ऑप्शन इसका यहीं पर है, ए। फोर्थ है, विद रेफरेंस टू द इलेक्शन ऑफ द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ म्यूनसिपैलिटीज इन एनी स्टेट कंसिडर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। तो किसके बारे में? म्यूनसिपल पार्टीज। ठीक है। पहला है, द चेयरपर्सन शुड बी डायरेक्ट इलेक्टेड, एंड दूसरा है, एट लीस्ट 1/3 ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ चेयरपर्सन इन द म्यूनसिपैलिटीज ऑफ द स्टेट शुड बी रिजर्व फॉर वुमेन। कौन सा सही है? 1 2 दोनों, या ना तो 1 ना तो 2? फोर्थ है। फोर्थ में देखिए दोनों रॉन्ग है। फर्स्ट रॉन्ग है बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जो 74th अमेंडमेंट था Constitution Amendment Act 1992 का did not prescribe the manner of election for chairperson under local bodies, or it to be decided by the respective state legislature and the chairperson of the urban bodies are to be elected. Okay, तो ये हो जाएगा गलत. At least 1/3 of the total number of the seat of chairperson in the municipal, तो ये भी गलत है भाई. इसमें क्या हुआ था, 74th Constitutional Amendment 1992 provide the office of the chairperson in the municipalities shall be reserved for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and women in such manner as the legislature of a state may by law provide. तो ये भी गलत है. Only on, तो neither one nor two. 5 है, at the national level, which ministry is the nodal agency to ensure effective implementation of scheduled tribe and other traditional forest dwellers recognition of the forest right act 2006. क्या मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, मतलब क्या पूछ रहा है, एट द नेशनल लेवल विच मिनिस्ट्री इज नोडल एजेंसी टू इंश्योर द इफेक्टिव इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द शेड्यूल ट्राइब एंड अदर ट्रेडिशनल फॉरेस्ट डेवलप एक्ट 2006 कौन है इसके अंतर्गत, तो इसमें है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइब एंड अफेयर्स. वेरी सिंपल. नेक्स्ट है 6. पहला स्टेटमेंट है द पंचायत एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द शेड्यूल एरियाज एक्ट 1996 वाज इनेक्टेड extend the provision of part 9 of the Indian Constitution to the tribal areas referred to in the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Second है the provision of the part 9 of the Indian Constitution do not apply the tribal areas referred to in the 6th schedule of the Constitution. तो इसमें फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट पहले गलत है. क्यों गलत है? बिकॉज द पंचायत एक्सटेंशन टू द शेड्यूल एरियाज एक्ट पेशा वाज इनेक्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 1996. पेशा के थ्रू आया था, तो ये गलत है. दूसरा सही है, तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा आपका फर्स्ट इनकरेक्ट एंड सेकंड करेक्ट. 7 है with reference to social audit in India, consider the following statement. First है, in India the social audit began in 1975 with the introduction of 20-point program. तो ये गलत है, क्योंकि द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल ऑडिटिंग इन इंडिया began in 1979 when Tata Iron and Steel Company Jamshedpur pioneered the first initiative. तो ये गलत है. As per the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, a Gram Sabha must conduct social audit of all projects executed under scheme within the Gram Panchayat. Second is right, option will be B. 8. Consider the following statement reference to the State Election Commission. The governor of a state appoints state election commissioner. It is responsible for the administration of election to the state legislature, assemblies and Panchayati Raj institution. It functions under the overall supervision of the Election Commission of India. Which statement is right? First is right. The governor of state appoints the state election commission. Very cool. It is responsible for the administration of election to the state legislature, assemblies and Panchayati Raj institutions. तो ये wrong है. The state election commissions is responsible for conducting election to Panchayati Raj institution, not for state assembly. Okay, and it functions under the overall supervision of the Election Commission of India. It is also incorrect because State Election Commission is autonomous like the Election Commission of India. Thus, the State Election Commission is an independent office and not linked to, nor is this office under the control of the Election Commission of India. And first is only right, answer Bill. Next 9. With reference to the Gram Sabha in India, consider the following statement. The term Gram Sabha is defined in the Constitution. क्या Constitution define किया गया? This is right. It consists of person registered in the electoral rolls relating to the village within the panchayat area. Is this statement is right? Yes, of course. And the power to annul a decision of the Gram Sabha rests only with state legislature. No, the role of function of the Gram Sabha are decided by the state legislature The Constitution mentioned that Gram Sabha exercise such power and performs such function at the village level at the legislature of the state may be by law provide. तो इसमें है क्या है द पावर टू annual a decision of the Gram Sabha rest with the Gram Sabha only. That's why answer will be wrong. Only one two is one. Second is also one two right. Option C. Yes. Consider the following statement. Good Governance Day is celebrated annually on 25 December. Good governance. Of course, at the birth of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And second, the Right to Information Act comes effect on December 25 December 2005. क्या 2005 में 25 दिसंबर को राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ था इसलिए मनाया जाता है? तो इनकरेक्ट है भाई। ये पहली बार 12 अक्टूबर 2005 को आया था, इसका कोई लेन देन इससे नहीं है। तो फर्स्ट इज राइट एंड सेकंड इज रॉन्ग, ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट है with reference to the scheduled areas India, consider the following statement. Within a state, the notification of an scheduled area takes place through a order of president. This is right. The largest administrative unit forming the scheduled areas is the district, and the lowest cluster of villages is the block. Yes. And the chief minister of a concerned state are required to submit annual report to Union Home Minister on the administrative of the scheduled area in a state. The statement is wrong. The fifth schedule to the Constitution of India state in para 3. The governor of each state having scheduled area therein shall annually or whenever so required by the president make a report to president regarding the administration of the scheduled area in the state, and the executive power of the union shall extend to the giving direction to the state as the administration of the said area. So only two statement is right. Next step 12. With reference to the Panchayat as per 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, consider the following statement. First है all states irrespective of population must adopt three-tier structure of panchayat. Second है at the apex is the जिला पंचायत covering the entire rural area of district. कौन सा सही है? 1 2 both and neither 1 nor 2. तो फर्स्ट जो है इनकरेक्ट है because the 73rd Amendment Act provides three-tier system of Panchayati Raj. However, there are exceptions for state the population of less than 20 lakhs. Such states are not required to establish the intermediate block and mandal level of panchayat. Okay, and at the apex, the Jila Panchayat covering the entire rural area of district. Yes, answer statement second is right. Next. If a particular area is brought under the sixth schedule of the Constitution of India, which among the following statement best reflect the consequences of it? First, a separate development board will be established for these reasons. The state having such areas will be declared as a special category state. This would convert the area into union territory, and certain acts of parliament do not automatically apply to these areas. Answer will be D. Certain acts of parliament do not automatically apply to these areas. 14 है which of the following are the basic element of citizens charter? क्या है basic element citizen charter का? A provision for the inspection of the agency's work, and second detailed grievance redressal mechanism, and 3 है choice and consultation provision for citizens, and fourth है insulation between service provider and citizens. आंसर इसका 2 होगा डिटेल ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल मैकेनिज्म, and 3 is also choice and consultation power provisions of citizens. Yes, 2 3 is right. Next, the government enacted the Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas (PESA) Act in 1996. Which one of the following is not identified as its objective? To provide self-governance? No, it means not. One of the main aspects of the service delivery in provision channel of the feedback, including but not limited to the grievance redressal. ये तो गलत है. And to recognize traditional right to recreate the autonomous regions in tribal areas to free tribal people from exploitation. Yes. 16 है with reference to the ward councillors in the municipal corporation. Consider the following statement. They participate in the budget making of the municipal corporation. They are responsible for implementation of the decision taken in the municipal council. Which statement are given are correct? One, two, both and neither one or two. एक मिनट. इसका इसको सही है. इसका सी हो जाएगा. ये होगा टू क्रिएट ऑटोनॉमस रीजन इन ट्राइबल एरिया. नो, ये नहीं था. टू प्रोवाइड सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट. हाँ, ये सब तो था ही. तो 16 का देख लेते हैं. सॉरी फॉर दैट. 16 का हो जाएगा आपका. पहला तो सही है. दे पार्ट की कॉर्पोरेशन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है ना. दे पार्टिसिपेट इन द बजट मेकिंग ऑफ द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. यस. दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन द डिसीजन टेकन इन द म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल. नो. Ward councillors are part of the legislative wing of the municipalities. Their role is primarily to deliberate on the policies and decisions in the municipal council and ensure that the need to the wards and reflect in these decisions. ठीक है. ये नहीं होगा भाई. The only one is right. 17. National Generic Document Registration System NGDRS is related to a digital platform for registration and properties and documents across the country. A digital platform for seamless integration of the educational institution. A digital platform launched by the Ministry of External Affairs to provide online passport सेवा. A digital platform which is aimed at storing the genome map of country. 17 का ए होगा. A digital platform for registration of properties and documents across the country. 18 है. Consider the following categories people. क्या है? As per the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, reserved for the seat in Panchayati Raj election is mandate for how many of the above categories are people? कितने people के लिए है? तो है इसके लिए. तो पहला है शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के लिए है, शेड्यूल कास्ट के लिए भी है और वुमेन के लिए भी है. एंग्लो इंडियन के लिए था. नो, एंग्लो इंडियन का तो कॉन्सेप्ट हट गया. तो अदर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस ये भी गलत, इनके लिए भी नहीं है. तो ये 1 and 3 is right. With reference to the Nyaya Panchayat, consider the following statement. They are empowered to hear both civil and criminal cases. Second है, they have the authority to impose fines. कौन सा सही है? 1, 2 and both and neither 1 nor 2. 19 का दोनों सही है. 20 है. With reference to the evolution of local self-government in the pre-independence India, consider the following statement. The formal structure of the local self-government in a modern India was introduced based on Ripon Resolution 1882. And second, examining and reporting on the functioning of the local self-governance in India was one of the term of reference assigned to the Simon Commission 1977. Which statement is are correct? 1, 2, both and neither 1 nor 2. तो 20 का हो जाएगा both is right. Which of the following statement about National Center for Good Governance are correct? NCGG was set up by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. Is this right? No, incorrect. The National Center for Good Governance was not established by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It was set up by the Government of India 2014 under the Department of Administrative Reform and Public Grievance. And second, the National Institution of Administrative Research has been rechristened and subsumed into NCGG. Yes, this is correct. And NCGG NCGG is apex level autonomous body under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Incorrect. Apex level autonomous institution, but is under of the DARPG, which operate under the Ministry of Personal, Public Grievance and Pensions, not in the Ministry of Home Affairs. The chairperson of the governing body of NCGC, Cabinet Secretary to the Government of India. This is right. Then answer 1 2 1 1 4 1 4 है नहीं 2 4 है ना 2 4 is right. The function listed in the 11th schedule of the Constitution of India can be extended to the Panchayat by Governor of the State, President of India, State Legislature and Parliament of India. State Legislature. With reference to the State Finance Commission, consider the following statement. The Governor of the State shall constitute the State Finance Commissions every 5th year. Second, chairman of a state finance commission is responsible for laying the commission's report before the state legislature. Which statement is correct? 1, 2, both and neither 1 nor 2. 24. एक मिनट 23 है ना चलिए देखते हैं भाई with reference to the state finance commission. Okay, the governor of the state shall constitute the state finance commission every 5th year. Yes, this is right. And second, chairman of the state finance commission is responsible for laying the commission's report before state legislature. No, because the governor of the state is responsible for the laying the reports of the state finance commission before the state legislature. तो governor होता है तो ये only one is right. And second, consider the following statement regarding self-help group in India. They promote the habit and thrift and saving among members through regular contribution. They can access financial support from bank and financial institutions without requiring collateral. The ownership and control self-help groups are rest with the external facilitator who facilitate the formation of group. Which of the statement is correct? 1 2 2 3 1 3 1 2 3. First is right and second is also right. Third is wrong because ownership and control self-help group rest in the external facilitator and facilitator of the formation of group is incorrect. The ownership and control self-help group rest with the member, not with the external facilitator. 1 2 is right only. Answer A. Next 75. The fundamental object of Panchayati Raj system is to ensure which among the following: people participation in the development, political accountability, and financial mobilization. Which one is right? 1 2 2 3 1 and 1 2 3. Only one is right. People participation in development. Second not. Only one is right. Next is 76. E-governance initiatives primary objective. मेघराज मेघराज ई गवर्नेंस इंस्टीट्यूट है प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है इसका मेघराज क्या है to promote cloud computing service for better e-governance service delivery. Is this right? So yes, this is correct. E-Kranti, ensuring transparency in the coal block auctioning. Yes, this is also right. And Pragati platform. Grievance redressal for the public and reviewing important program of the government. सेकंड इज इनकरेक्ट होगा ना ई क्रांति का मेन ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है एक्सेलरेटेड गवर्नेंस अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड अचीव इट्स विजन इंश्योर द गवर्नमेंट वाइड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिलीवरिंग ऑल गवर्नमेंट सर्विस इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली टू सिटीजन्स वाई इंटीग्रेटेड ये नहीं होगा तो 1 and 3 only 2 statement is right. With reference to the Gram Panchayat as per Constitution, consider the following statement. Chairperson of the Panchayat at village level shall be elected through mention of direct election by voters of the village Panchayat. Normally, a Gram Panchayat shall continue for few years from the date appointed by for the first meeting. The secretary of a Gram Panchayat is elected by the member of ward in the panchayat area. Which statement are given is correct? 1, 2, 3 and none. 27. First is incorrect because article 243 shall be क्या कहता है कि shall be elected मतलब the क्या कहता है Constitution states the chairperson of the panchayat at village level shall be elected in the such manner as legislature of the state may be law provide. So first is wrong and second is right and third is incorrect also because the Gram Panchayat has secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. This person is not a elected person but in appointed by the government. Only second is right. Next है consider the following statement. Citizen Charter was introduced in India based on the recommendation of Second Administrative Reform Commission. The Citizen Charter and Grievance Redressal Act 2011 mandate every public office to inform the public about the service in provide and timelines for their delivery. Both are incorrect. First incorrect because the Citizen Charter was introduced in India 1997 and 1997 as a part of an administrative reform initiative by the Government of India. And second, the Citizen Charter uh, the Citizen Charter of Grievance Redressal 2011 mandate every public. तो ये गलत है अभी क्योंकि while there are various state level legislation like the Madhya Pradesh Public Service Guarantee Act 2010 and the Delhi Right of the Citizen to Time Bound Delivery Service Act 2011, there is no such national legislation named Citizen Charter and Grievance Redressal Act 2011. Neither one nor two is right. 29. Which of the following statements are correct about the Right to Information Act in 2005? The Act gives the right to information only for citizens of India. In normal course, information to an applicant shall be supplied within 30 days from the recipient application by the public authority. Any information relating to any private body is exempted from the ambit of the RTI Act. Which is right? 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 is right and third is wrong because um, information which can be sought under the RTI Act is any material in any form. So it also includes the information relating to any private bodies which can be accessed by the public authority under any law for of the time being enforced. Then statement is correct. So 1 and 2 is right. Which of the following are possible source of fund for the Gram Panchayat? Profession tax, water tax, land tax, entertainment tax. So all of the above 1, 2, 3, 4. Local self-government can be best explained as exercise in federation, democratic declaration, administrative delegation, and direct democracy. Answer will be B. Democratic decentralization. 32. Consider the following statement with respect to provision of the scheduled areas mentioned in the fifth schedule of the Constitution of India. First, authority to exclude or modify the application of parliamentary as state law in scheduled areas rests with the governor of state. The union government has the power to issue direction to state regarding the administration of scheduled area as ensure effective governance. Both are right. Consider the following statement. Next time, consider the following statement. Gujarat has a tribes advisory council as per the fifth schedule of the constitution. Is right. As per the Constitution of India, President of India can direct a state to establish tribes advisory council which has scheduled tribes but no notified scheduled areas as per the fifth schedule, which is right. So both are right but not explained. So answer will be B. Both statement 1 and second is right but not explanation of first. Consider the following statement regarding the district council under the 6th schedule of constitution. They can make law to manage forest including reserve and non-reserve forest. They can set up courts to resolve dispute involving customary tribal law. They can levy taxes on the professions and toll taxes, which enforce है. They are regulate money lending and trading activities by non-tribal in their area. Which of the following statement is correct? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 4. 34. तो इसमें हो जाए फर्स्ट. They can make laws and manage forest including reserve and non-reserve forest. This is not right because legislature, judicial, executive and function powers within their jurisdictions, not this. So the district council have the authority to enact laws and management of any forest and that is not classified as the reserve forest. First is incorrect and second, third, fourth is right. With respect to Indian polity, which one of the following best reflect an example of devolution of powers? Legislature cannot discuss the conduct of judge and of the Supreme Court and High Court except upon a motion related to removal of the judge. The distribution of subject between the union list and the state list concurrent list under the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Transforming of the ancillary function by the legislature to the executive wing of the state legislature, transforming elementary education function to local government. Devolution of power क्या है? 35. It means state legislature transforming elementary education function to the local government. 36. With reference to the non-government organization NGOs, consider the following provisions. Article 19 of Indian Constitution safeguard of the Indian citizens' right to for NGOs is right. This is right. NGO are generally voluntary, non-profit making and service-oriented organization dedicated to the development of the community. Yes. All NGOs function in India are mandated to register under the Foreign Contribution Regulatory Act. This is not right. Not mandatory. So answer will be 1 and 2. Next. In the establishment of the Panchayati Raj system in India, various committees were appointed of recommendation measure for the decentralized of the power. In this contest, consider the following recommendation. First, designating the district as the primary unit of decentralization and fixing the tenure of the Panchayati Raj institution at 4 years, mandating the financial devolution to Panchayati Raj institution. Which of the following committee proposed the above recommendation? Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Santhanam Committee, Ashok Mehta and P.K. Thungan. Answer will be C. Ashok Mehta Committee. With reference to the Union Self-Government, consider the following statement about Notified Areas Committee. It is established based on the law passed by the state legislature. All the members of the committee are nominated by the state government. Which statement is right? 1, 2, both, and neither 1 nor 2. Answer will be B. Only 2. It is established based on the law passed by the state legislature is wrong. A notified area committee is not a statutory body. It is established through a government gazette notification, not based on the law of the state legislature. Next, with reference to district planning committee constituted under 74th Constitution Amendment Act 1992, consider the following statement. It consolidates the plans prepared by the panchayat and municipalities in the districts. The 74th Constitutional Amendment Act provides the minimum and maximum number of members in district planning committee in each district. The district magistrates serve as the ex-office chairperson committee. Which statement is right? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 39. Only one is right and second is wrong. Article 243 ZD अब Constitution provide the legislature of state may be make provisions with respect to composition of DPC and manner with which such committee shall be filed. Okay. The district magistrate serve as ex office? No, because as per the ex office chairperson करता है ना, और ex office chairperson नहीं, the chairperson is elected to the member per committee. Only one is right. What here? With reference to Indian polity, part 9A of Indian Constitution do not automatically apply scheduled area, scheduled tribe, union territory, and disturbed area. Which of the above is correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 2 is right. Scheduled tribe and scheduled areas. Which one of the following regarding the tenure of the elected member of the autonomous district council is correct? 5 years from the date of election, 5 years from the appointed for the first meeting of the council after the election, 6 years from the date of the administration of oath, 6 years from the date of election. This is B is right. 5 years from the date appointed for the first meeting of the council after the election. Consider the following statement. To prevent alienation of the land in the scheduled area and take appropriate action to restore any unlawful alienated land of the scheduled tribes. Second, to enforce prohibition or to regulate or restrict the sale and consumption of any intoxicant, to allocate government contract and tenders relate the infrastructure development, to exercise control over money lending scheduled tribes, to manage the village makers. Which of the following powers are given to the Gram Sabha under the Panchayati Act 1996? 42. Answer will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2 is right and third is wrong. To allocate the government contracts to related to infrastructure, no. Answer 4 is right. Next है. As per the Constitution of India, a person can be disqualified from being a member of a panchayat in which of the following situation? If he is so disqualified by or under any law for the time being in force for purpose election to legislature of the state concerned. If he is less than 25 years of age, if he is employed with an annual income more than 8 lakhs rupees. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 3. Which one of the right? Answer will be only one is right. First is right. 25 year नहीं होता, ना होता है 21 ईयर ना. एंड फोर्थ क्या है, इसके बारे में कोई प्रोविजंस नहीं है भाई. 8 लाख रुपीज का ऐसा कुछ. तो ओनली वन इज राइट. नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट आर लिस्टेड इन द 11th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? कौन कौन 11th शेड्यूल में है? फर्स्ट एग्रीकल्चर, यस. रूरल इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ये भी है. फैमिली वेलफेयर है. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ क्रूअल्टी टू एनिमल नहीं, ये नहीं है. तो 1 and 2, 3 इज राइट. Next, under which schedule of the Constitution of India can transfer to tribal land to private parties for mining declared null and void? कौन शेड्यूल null and void करार दिया गया था इसको? तो इस शेड्यूल था फिफ्थ शेड्यूल. With reference to the social reform in India, Bhuria committee is related to. Bhuria committee किससे related थी? तो रिफॉर्मिंग ट्राइबल इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड देयर गवर्नेंस. यस, दिस इज आल्सो राइट. यही सही है. फर्स्ट इज 47. Consider the following: municipal committee, ward committee, metropolitan planning committee, and Nagar Panchayat town area committee. How many of the above has been provided in the 74th Amendment Act 1992 of the Constitution? फर्स्ट इज राइट. म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन तो है ही. and second is also correct, ward committee, and third is also correct. फोर्थ भी करेक्ट है। टाउन एरिया ऑफ कमिटी ये नहीं है। नहीं, नगर पंचायत है। नहीं, 1 तो इनकरेक्ट है, म्युनिसिपल कमिटी नहीं है। हाँ, नगर पंचायत है, तो 2, 3, 4 राइट है, इसलिए ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी। 48 है, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है, आर्टिकल 243D ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया which provide for reservation of the scheduled caste in panchayat does not apply to state of Arunachal Pradesh. तो this is right. And second, Arunachal Pradesh is a state inhabited by the indigenous tribal people and no scheduled caste exists in this state. क्या कोई शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट यहाँ पर नहीं है? ऑफ कोर्स यस। तो दोनों सही हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन भी सही है। नेक्स्ट है, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन गिविंग रिप्रेजेंटेशन टू मेंबर of state legislation in panchayat at the different level, holding fresh election within 6 months in the event of the separation of any panchayat, granting panchayats the power to levy taxes. Which of the following above are compulsory provision of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992? तो फर्स्ट जो है रॉन्ग है, इनकरेक्ट है, क्योंकि गिविंग रिप्रेजेंटेशन टू मेंबर द पंचायत बोथ हाउस and state legislature both house in the panchayat are different level falling within their constitution as the voluntary provision, not compulsory. And second is right and third incorrect also. Granting panchayat power to levy tax, no, levy tax नहीं है, तो only second is right, option A. Last question. With reference to the administration of tribal area under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which of the following authority has the power to dissolve a regional council, governor, president, and state legislature and parliament? Answer will be A. Governor has the power. तो ये रहा पूरा 50 क्वेश्चन। कितने सही हुए बताइएगा जरूर। ठीक है, जो चीजें नहीं आएंगी पूछ लेना। ठीक है, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तो जय हिंद, जय भारत।